Hey, this is Jeremy and welcome to Daily Devo. Today we're talking about the miraculous catch of fish. When I love something, I really love it. I'll never forget years ago watching a TV show. I got so excited about it that I would tell anybody that would listen. We started watch parties and we would have people over and we would watch it together and have dinner together. And it would come up in conversations with people that hadn't never seen the show. And if they hadn't seen it, it was almost as if it was offensive to me. Maybe you're not quite as neurotic as I was, but one thing I know that when we love something that we've seen or experienced, we share it with other people. In Luke chapter 5, there's this amazing story. And Jesus is teaching on the shore, and so many people showed up that they were starting to crowd around him. So he looked around, and he sees some fishermen who had been fishing all night, and he asks to borrow their boat. And the Bible says that he goes out a little ways, and he sits down to teach the people. After he's done teaching, he looks at Simon, and he says, "Hey, let's go out into the deep area. Let's put down the nets, and let's catch some fish." Now, keep in mind, Simon has been up all night fishing. And maybe you're watching this, and you're a little bit of a night owl. But me personally, as an adult, I can't think of a single good reason to stay up all night. You get that awful feeling in your stomach. You look wrecked the next day, and you sit down and you just want to go to sleep. So you can understand why Simon is skeptical and probably tired. But he says something amazing, and it's the key to the miracle that takes place. So let's pick up the story in Luke chapter 5 in verse 4. It says, "When he had finished speaking, he said to Simon, 'Put out into the deep water and let down the nets for a catch.' Simon answered, 'Master, we've worked hard all night and haven't caught anything, but because you say so, I'll let down the nets.'" He says something there that is really, really important. He said, "Because you said so." He gives it a chance. The story ends with a catch that's so big that it nearly sinks the boat. Simon's got to call out to another boat in the area to get help to reel all the fish in. If you experienced that kind of a miracle, don't you think you would share that story with somebody else? I would. Here's something that's amazing. 3 people that saw and experienced that miracle became 3 of the 12 apostles. Those men end up sharing the story of Jesus with untold amounts of people. Sometimes the greatest miracles happen when we obey God, even if we're like Peter, to where we're doing it reluctantly, that we're obeying him reluctantly. So today, thank God and share the amazing things that he's done in your life with somebody else.